Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a plastic trim tool, Torx T20 and T25 drivers, an 8mm socket, needle nose pliers, and a soft cloth for parts. Lower the window fully to expose fasteners and move the seat back so you can reach comfortably. Disconnect the 12V battery negative terminal to prevent accidental airbag or electronic lock activation. Work on a flat surface with the door unlocked, and the child safety latch off to avoid being locked out while clips or rods are disconnected. Begin at the door trim corners and gently pry outward with a plastic trim tool to release retaining clips. Take care not to scratch the paint. Remove Torx screws, typically one under the armrest and one behind the interior handle, using a T20 or T25 driver, then pull the panel upward to disengage the top retaining edge. Unplug electrical connectors and pop out the window switch module to free wiring. Disconnect any speaker harness or courtesy light plug so the panel can be set aside safely. With the panel removed, locate and depress the small retaining clips securing the lock and latch rods, then slide the rods out of their plastic sockets using needle nose pliers if needed. Remove the handle fasteners with the T25 driver, support the exterior handle as you slide it out, inspect and replace the foam gasket or seal if it is cracked. Reinstall the handle in reverse order, snug fasteners without stripping threads, reconnect rods and connectors, reconnect the battery, and test the locks, latch, and window operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.